So you are traveling and you are in a plane or in a train and you are getting bored. At that time, your best friend will be music, but you don't have many headphones or any kind of audio peripheral. What's up guys, Karan here, and today let's unbox and review the small mini wireless headphones. And if you guys like the content of this channel, feel free to check out my Instagram account from the first link in the description below. And with that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's quickly unbox the headphone and plug into Nirvana. Opening up the box, you will get two cables. One is USB to micro USB cable to charge the headphone, and another one is aux cable to listen music with the wires connected. Next up, you will get a manual guide and a warranty card. Now finally the headphones. I bought it in grey and green color, but it looks more like white and green combination. Anyways, it's too small, which I think is a plus point. Now for me, the build quality is the first thing I check while using any kind of audio peripheral, and the Boat Rockers 400 has all plastic build, and the build in one word for me to sum up would be above average. And yeah, you cannot expect too much in the price segment of rupees 1500, but it will surely fulfill your needs. Okay, so let's quickly talk about the specifications of these headphones. It has built-in rechargeable batteries and a microphone with volume control. It also comes with soft ear cups for extended usage. Talking about the compatibility, it will work with Android, iOS and Windows. There are buttons for pickup, end and redial for hands-free call. You can play music wirelessly via mobile tablet with crystal clear sound and extra bass. Music playback time is around 8 hours and maximum charging time is 2 hours, which is really good. It has neodymium drivers which delivers extra powerful bass, and yeah, it is not over the ear headphones, it is on ear headphones. Now to make it tiny, you can fold it and look how tiny it is. You can also adjust this headphones completely. Okay, so let's check the audio quality. Now I personally love the audio that this headphone produces. I mean, it's too lit. Okay, so if you are interested in buying these headphones, then you must check the description out. Now if you will ask me that should you buy this headphone in the year 2018, I would suggest you to go for it. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys like the video, just leave a like, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, links are in the description below. And with that being said, this is Karan signing off. I will catch you guys in my next one. Have a great day. Peace out. You